Hey guys, you ready to do some more patterns with me?
Yes.
The first ones were fun. We did single strokes. We started with the right hand and then we started with our left hand. Today we're gonna do double strokes. What does that mean? Well, if single means one, we should know that double means two, and that means 2 hits or 2 strokes with each hand. We're gonna start with our right hand again at a slower tempo, and then we'll pick it up and play a faster tempo, and then we'll flip the pattern around. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Could you do that one with me? I know it's a little trickier to play 2 on each hand or double strokes, so practice that one as many times as you need to. Now, it's important as a drummer when we play to keep our tempo really nice and steady. We don't want to speed up or slow down too much, so that's something we're practicing too, is staying steady. Now, a drummer's job in music is to keep the tempo for the rest of the band. Are you ready to play this pattern at a faster tempo? Look at our pattern one more time. It's red, red, blue, blue. I know that you can do it. Let's do it faster. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! We played that one at 2 tempos and it was fun playing to the music too, right?
Woo!
Okay, let's flip it around. And what do you see? I see 2 blues in a row now and then 2 reds. So we're gonna start with your left hand and the left side first for our double strokes. Are you ready? Here's our slower tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could you do it? I had fun doing it. I always have fun when I'm playing the drums. I hope you do too. Let's pick up the tempo. If you're ready, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I had tons of fun doing that. Now, double strokes are super cool in drumming because it turns into a roll, a drum roll. Have you ever heard one of those? Now, when you play double strokes faster and faster and you learn to play a quick double stroke roll, it sounds like a drum roll. Would you like to hear? I'll try to play one for you. Ready? Here's a double stroke roll. I'll start slow and then speed it up. Now, it takes some time to learn how to do this, and hopefully you keep drumming and someday you'll be able to play a nice, clean double stroke roll too. Are you ready? Let's do it. See, it's just 2, and then I keep the same pattern as we speed up. That's just a double stroke roll. Have you heard a drum roll like that? Now it takes some practice. I'm excited because we're going to do more patterns in the next lesson. I'll see you there.
For more music fun, visit us at mymusicworkshop.com.